Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading session. In Tuesday's trading session, the benchmark index Nifty witnessed heavy selling pressure and ended the session at levels of 21,817 with a cut of 1.08%. Most noteworthy, the index has slipped below its 50-day EMA level for the first time after mid-November 2023. Bank Nifty has ended below the mark of 46,400 with a cut of 0.41%. All the sectorial indices, if we see, ended on a negative note, with Nifty IT, Nifty Media and Nifty FMCG being the top losers. The broader market indices, that is Nifty Mid Cap and Nifty Small Cap, also ended the day on a negative note. The advanced decline ratio also largely tilted in favors of the decliners in trade yesterday. Coming to the macro factors, like we have been highlighting, the dollar index has witnessed a steady rise up to 104 levels post the higher than expected US inflation numbers, while the US Treasury yields have continued their ascent towards levels of 4.29. Brent oil prices ended on a positive note for the fifth consecutive trading session yesterday. Coming to the Nifty levels, going ahead, 21,740, 21,700 from a positional perspective will act as a support for the index. Any sustainable move below the levels of 21,700 will lead to further selling pressure in the index up to 21,620, followed by 21,550 levels. While on the upside, the zone of 21,900, 21,870 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 21,900 will lead to an extension of the pullback rally on the upside. If you look at the OI data, on Tuesday, Nifty futures dipped by 1.12%, while the cumulative OI of the current, next and far series dipped by 2.26%, which indicates overall long unwinding. Nifty PCR, if we see, is currently at 0.53. Call writing was seen at 21,850, 21,900 strikes, while put writing was witnessed across 21,800, 21,700 strikes, implying the range for the coming few sessions could be 21,620 on the downside and 21,900 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, 46,050, 46,100 will act as a crucial support for the index, and any sustainable move below the levels of 46,100, 46,050 will lead to selling pressure towards the levels of 45,700, 45,500 in the coming few sessions. While on the upside, the zone of 46,550, 46,600 will be the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 46,600 will lead to an uptick towards the mark of 46,900 on the upside. If we look at the OI data for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty PCR is currently at 0.65. Significant call writing was seen at 46,500, 46,700 strikes, and on the put side it was majorly seen in 46,400, 46,300 puts, implying a range of 46,050 on the downside and 46,600 on the upside. If we look at the broader market, where the stocks and sectors are in momentum, from the broader market, the likes of ICICI Bank, Torrent Power, CG Power, Bajaj Auto, Cummins and Geofin looks good based on technical parameters as well as the relative strength chart. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash market, both FIs and DIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,421 and 7,449 crores respectively. FI long short ratio for index futures is at 32.55 on a net basis, this as they sold 24,044 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have bought to the tune of 12,085 contracts, while on the options front, FIs sold 1,02,160 call contracts and 54,665 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.